Welcome to the SeoSamba Point of Sale POS application. This year's updated version is fully optimized for tablets, including iPads, and features a convenient landscape layout, providing more screen space for faster navigation and easier checkout. To get started, download the SeoSamba POS app from the App Store on your mobile phone or tablet. Once installed, log in using your admin credentials. After logging in, select your store location and then choose your terminal. The system tracks both local and overall product inventory, allowing you to sell items that may not be physically available in your current store location. You can also sell items directly from your tablet, including products available at other locations or online. Customer accounts and sales are recorded across all connected stores, including online purchases, ensuring a complete and unified transaction history. A powerful CRM and full customer records remain accessible through the web-based interface. To complete your in-store setup, SeoSamba POS works seamlessly with optional hardware. You can connect a compatible Stripe card reader for tap-to-pay and card payments, as well as a thermal receipt printer for a more traditional checkout experience. Once connected, everything works together as one complete point-of-sale system, right from your phone or tablet. Once you've logged in and selected your store, you can open a checkout lane and begin processing sales. You can use the Quick Sale feature for simple transactions or the cash register for more complex multi-item purchases. For more details, please refer to the relevant instructional videos.